Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect Instagram to n8n. If you're someone who wants to automate your social media tasks or streamline your Instagram workflows, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the steps you need to take to connect Instagram to n8n, making your automation journey smoother and more efficient. Let's begin our journey by understanding the first crucial step. We're going to incorporate a Facebook trigger node into your n8n workflow. Now, you might be asking yourself, why a Facebook trigger node when our ultimate goal is to automate Instagram? That's a great question. The answer lies in the fact that Instagram and Facebook share a close-knit relationship in their developer ecosystem. Since Instagram is owned by Facebook, many features of these platforms are integrated, particularly when it comes to automation capabilities. Once you've added the Facebook trigger node, the next important step is to specify the node's object to Instagram. This is a critical action because it ensures that our trigger node is finely tuned to respond to Instagram-related events. By selecting Instagram as your object, you're honing in on the specific activities you want to automate or track on Instagram. So make sure you don't skip this step. Select Instagram as your object. Now, with Instagram set as your object, let's move on to the next step, choosing the correct app ID. You'll want to select an app ID that corresponds with your specific credentials. These credentials are essential because they authenticate your access to Instagram's API through n8n, effectively linking your Instagram account with Facebook's broader developer tools. If you haven't yet set up your credentials or are unsure which app ID is suitable, you can find comprehensive guides on obtaining and configuring these IDs on the developer portals for both Facebook and Instagram. Once your app ID is ready, you'll need to decide what specific events or data you want n8n to monitor from your Instagram account. Here you have a couple of strategic options. You can opt for an asterisk, which instructs n8n to listen to all available Instagram events. This broad approach is particularly beneficial if you wish to keep your automation extensive, allowing you to monitor any changes, new activities, or other occurrences on your Instagram. On the other hand, if you have specific events in mind, you can apply particular filters. This way, n8n will only activate in response to selected triggers, making your automation more concentrated and efficient. While setting up these filters, consider what your main priorities are. Are you more interested in tracking new posts, engagement metrics, or perhaps user interactions? Taking the time to define these priorities will significantly enhance the value of your automation, ensuring that the data flowing into your workflow is relevant and actionable. As we've explored, integrating Instagram with n8n using a Facebook trigger node brings powerful automation right to your fingertips. Whether you aim for broad monitoring or a more focused approach, n8n offers a flexible and powerful platform to manage your social media strategies. That's it for this tutorial on how to connect Instagram to n8n. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.